Sunday morning. Not even 7 a.m. yet. Whew, it's cold out here for a G, man. Let's see what's good. What's up, man? Top of the morning. It's cold out here, G. Good looking for real, man. I can barely get out of here. It's like 7:30, a little late. I'm supposed to meet up with the Fresh Kicks and his little group of friends. So you get a little dope cruise going, but of course, like always, I'm running fashionably late. So I'll meet up with the homie Minty, supercharged S2k on E. And we off. Look at my girl thinking this is the passenger seat. I love it. Alright then, let's get it. Sheesh, my boy Minty pulled up. You see the intercooler? It sounds almost pro-charged, but it's a supercharged. Damn, the little tire in the back. I like it. I've always been an S2k fan. Let's get it. Ooh, had to start with the old school for sure. The Grand National. Miss my Lightning. Can never go wrong with a Skyline R32. Damn, boy got the RB26 in there. Boy got the GTR R32.
Like he's walking a cat.
It is a cat.
That is so funny.
Oh, what are you gonna missed it? Man. Damn. The color combo is so good on this. And it's a manual. I love this. I've always loved these, specifically for the vents on the doors. Man. That's it right there. Sorry, babe. Had to get a little re-up real quick. And I had to peep this chaser, though. God. Oh, the KFs. The seats are nice, huh? Ford GT? Where'd they go? Damn. Ford. What? This thing is crazy. It's a manual? Supercharger? This is a car, man. I had to make a quick little stop real quick. Performance registration got me right for the soarer. Man, I pulled up and I seen this beauty. I was tripping. That paint is just hidden. The TE fitment just looking so right. My brother would love this. It's like his favorite car. Damn. gonna go check out the homies whip. Gonna meet up with one of the homies. He's got an MK4. So should be a cool little duet, a little combo. Bam. This thing is so smooth. Love it. A little vibe in here now. I'm thinking I'm gonna move that gauge to this side. Kind of feel like it's empty on this side. Love it. About to pull up to the homie Adams. Probably one of the wettest MK4s, if I'm gonna be honest. Wettest. See what he's up to today. We're here. Sheesh. You see the vibes? My boy is not playing. It's like they're stepsisters. So sick. TEs up front. Can't go wrong with the TEs. You see the yellow caliper vibes? So what a view, man. So it's like the... Is this the cute stepsister or the ugly stepsister? Man. Same, but different. A little test drive on the Jet. Sheesh. Oh my God. Man, the smell of E. Love that smell. My boy Adam, man. Oh my God. So different than my 1J though.
No way. Yeah?
It sounds a lot different. This one has more like of a jet.
Hey, you can feel that shit too. Like,
Yeah. Mine also does have a lot more lag.
Hey, what you think about this one? It lagged a little bit, right?
A little bit.
Yeah.
I feel like my guy could dial it in though.
Oh, yeah, that's what I need.
I need to dial it in. Cause my shit was running, bro. It ran, but it had fuel cut too. And after I took it to him, it was like perfect.
That's what I need.
And then we made a little bit bigger numbers, but we turned it down and the car was so much happier, you know? So he just put it where my car was. Yeah, like perfect, bro. But like I said, I was dropping fuel, you know? So once I get more fuel, I'll be able to make more power. Less lag too, smaller turbo. So I feel like with the 2J, you hear like more boost. And I think the 1J is more exhaust, less boost.
Yeah, more exhaust, yeah.
This shit sounds insane though. Even from the passenger seat, that clutch feels aggressive, bro.
Yeah, you feel it.
Yeah, that shit jumps.
That's what it is.
Super sick. Yes, sir. What's up?
Oh, pretty scary.
It's different, huh?
Hell yeah.
You got that. You got that. Kind of feels the same in the clutch, huh?
Yeah, same shit.
Why are they like that?
Hey, I don't
It's
know.
like a little Supra, bro. I'm trying to tell you.
JD life.
Got it?
Yeah, man. I feel so weird. Driving this.
It rubs a little bit. Gotta get some camera kits, or this is a smaller tire. Stop that rubbing.
Yeah. I felt it rubbing.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
So I have the Supra brakes in the front, but they didn't fit.
Did you go with the smaller brakes, or you got the big?
It has the big brakes.
Brake.
They're huge.
Yeah, I got
But-
the big brake in the front, the small brakes in the
Yeah,
back.
same. My wheels didn't clear in the front though, so I had to get a whole 1-inch spacer, bro, to make them fit. Shit sucked. Well, we're out of here. Another good day. God, I love this.